See what it looks like. There we go, with a nice glow. Maybe too bright for the video, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Let's go back here from a distance here, and I've got the motion set. So there we go. We move toward it, and it's going off. I've got a spot right here where I'm going to wire it in, and this is what it'll look like. This is a great light because it's got an outlet built into the side here, so this is going to work good. And put a light bulb in it, wired up, and let's see. And it's also got motion as well, so that's a good feature too. So here's the back bracket. You're going to want to take that off. Take off the little nuts that go on the inside right here. We're going to take this back bracket off, and we're going to mount this, and then we'll hook up our wires. Okay, now the bracket is attached. Let's hook up the wires. And once you get it installed, this is what it looks like. Okay, has a nice lantern look to it, and like I said, best of all is it has a door right here on the side for an outlet. Let's check it out, see what it looks like. There we go, with a nice glow. Maybe too bright for the video, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Let's go back here from a distance here, and I've got the motion set. So there we go. We move toward it, and it's going off. If you just stay still, it'll go off. So we can turn that motion on or off, and let's turn this off for a second. Okay, so it's off, and like I said, the best part is you can have an extension cord. Once you switch your light on and give it power, then you've got fan power. Okay, so I plugged that right into the outlet right there, and it goes right there. Okay, so now let's go up top and adjust some settings here. So we'll just unscrew this top knob here. Unscrew this here and pull this here. We've got some settings. So if you look at it close, so you've got it for auto plus, then you've got your time, and that you can screw. You can turn that up or down, and then low level. So there's all your settings that you can use. Other than that, that's what the light looks like. Pretty cool, and you can read about the settings as well, but very easy to install. Looks great. Nice lantern as well as motion sensor, which you can adjust, which is super cool. This is a great light. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.